Three former Stanford students created Snapchat a mere 6 years ago. Since then, the company has grown explosively. About 185 million people use Snapchat every single day. Over 60% of US smartphone owners between ages 13 and 34 have the app. Users take pictures at restaurants, stores, gyms, and airports. Somehow, 10-second clips have taken over the world as Snapchatters watch about 14 billion videos every day. Marketers have been quick seizing this new opportunity and appeal to one of the largest millennial platforms. Every day, companies like Daily Mail, Tastemade, Brother, BuzzFeed, and GQ reach millions of eyes with their unique content. Some companies have gone above and beyond to promote their product. Here's some of the more creative strategies used by marketers. Beauty and the Beast retelling. The Los Angeles County Museum of Art and Oh My Disney partnered together to give an epic retelling of Beauty and the Beast via 10-second videos. This calculated move involved over 130,000 of LAMCA's pieces to promote the 2017 remake. The two companies told the tale as old as time through both their respective Snapchat accounts. It took the companies 3 months to plan this endeavor. The story was almost 80 snaps, equaling about one post per the original film's runtime. LAMCA and Disney plan on future collaborations that will similarly receive innovative ways to use Snapchat. Mark Suster's Snapchat Lectures. Snapchat isn't just for millennials. Just ask Los Angeles venture capitalist Mark Suster, who uses the platform to give little 10-second lectures to his audience. He has made hundreds of millions of dollars by selling his portfolios and wants to teach others how to do the same. Suster will lecture you all about power dynamics, investing, and sending emails. Nearly all my target customers are entrepreneurs between the ages of 20 and 35 use Snapchat regularly, he said. He later went on to call Snapchat an amazing video platform and believes that Instagram and Twitter are better websites for showing off food pictures. 20th Century Fox takes over Snapchat filters. Sponsored filters are nothing new on Snapchat. Plenty of advertisers will market their custom filter that lasts for about a day. Everyone from Bank of America to General Electric has used Snapchat to advertise their services. However, 20th Century Fox took it one step further. The company took over all Snapchat filters to promote X-Men Apocalypse. Users couldn't apply flower crowns, dog filters, or face swaps for the entire day. Snapchatters instead had to choose between Magneto, Storm, Mystique, and other famous X-Men characters. Additionally, users could buy their movie tickets through the filter. One sponsored lens can cost anywhere from $450,000 to $750,000 in exchange for over 100 million audience members. 20th Century Fox hasn't disclosed how much they spent on Snapchat, but you can bet the gamble paid off when the film made $543.9 million at the box office. Monzelez International's Candy Bar Competition. In 2015, Monzelez International found a new way to get people to buy their product. The candy company offered a competition with a $10,000 prize. All the users had to do was submit a snap with a Cadbury timeout bar. The most creative and innovative snap would win the contest. The Timeout chocolate bar is all about encouraging you to take time out and enjoy it, said Cadbury Bar's brand manager Dwayne Hutton. This fits perfectly with the behaviors of using mobile devices and being active on social media. Major League Soccer player takeovers. Social media offers users a rare and intimate glimpse into other people's thoughts and lives. Snapchat is especially great for this since most stories show off people's everyday activities. There's no more natural way to walk a mile in someone else's shoes than by watching their snaps. Celebrities are no exception. Major League Soccer realized what a powerful vehicle Snapchat could be, so they did a week-long takeover for famous soccer players. Each day, a different player would use Major League Soccer's Snapchat account and post glimpses into their day. Athletes like Matt Miazga, Amobi Okugo, and Cristiano Ronaldo all received a chance to promote themselves. Snapchat videos may be limited to a few seconds, but there are endless ways to take advantage of the platform. If you need any other helpful marketing tips, check out our other done-for-you videos and click the subscribe button below.